How this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have a box in front of you guys. In this I have some stand for my MacBook Pro or any other laptop or notebook. You can use the stand for same, even for tablet. So packaging is lovely. You see here from AliExpress it comes. Price could be $5 to $7 or $8, depend on the places. And let me open this one. I put here. See this manual indication written in Chinese, but good to have. You know which way you can put this stuff. I put one side here, something for guarantee, something as this. You have some screw. I don't know what the purpose will serve in this. Okay, and here is the stand. I think I have to assemble this one. Lovely soft plastic. Wow. With this one side, here we go. So I have to assemble this one. You see here the screws at the bottom. So this will go here, one, this will be at the middle, and the other one you can adjust as you want. So good thinking in this case. So I will put all this screw and I will be back. So you can see here how it is, and you see at the bottom I tied all the screw. And if I put my computer, you can see how it looks. Mac on this, beautiful. This way, put here as well. You can adjust from the bottom as well. See how it looks, lovely, amazing. You can change the place as well. If you want more space, you can move this one forward as well, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.